Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how a single prompt can create something funny, weird, and super creative with AI. Just imagine, what if your face inflated like a balloon? Sounds crazy, right? This image was created with a prompt like this. A surreal 3D render, caricature face inflated like a balloon. Hyper-realistic sculpted skin texture with glossy shine. Exaggerated chubby cheeks and pouty lips. Comically expressive features. Smooth studio lighting. Pixar-level detailing with sculptural polish. Uncanny but playful surrealism. Take a closer look at this picture. The shiny skin texture, the chubby cheeks, the cartoonish lips, and even the little balloon knot at the bottom. It looks like something straight out of a Pixar movie. So that's how you can generate hilarious and surreal images just by writing a creative prompt. You can try it yourself with Gemini or any other AI tool. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun AI experiments. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.